Welcome everybody to Pop-Up Camper Pro. I'm your host Eric Smith, and today we're going to be talking about pop rivets. Pop rivets are a type of fastener. You're going to find them all over your Coleman and Fleetwood pop-up camper. It's a way to hold pieces together, such metal to metal or even plastic to metal. When you see a pop rivet, what you're seeing is typically a circle with a smaller circle inside of it. Sometimes it can kind of look like a Phillips head bit, but not quite. So replacing pop rivets. Pop rivets, you need to drill the old pop rivet out and then use a pop rivet gun to install a new one. A standard screw gun, and you'll want a drill bit assortment. So we have our screw gun. I've chosen the correct size drill bit. It's just slightly larger than the inside hole on the pop rivet I'm going to remove. I've put my drill on number 2 for high speed, and I've moved my drill chuck to the drill bit icon, indicating I'm going to get full power out of this drill, which we'll need. Engage the rivet, putting the screw gun bit into the hole, make sure we're level, and drill. Pop rivet is removed. Let's go ahead and install a new one. Here's my hand-powered pop rivet gun, and I'm going to load my rivet into the head, push my rivet into the hole, and squeeze this tool a couple times until I hear a pop. And it's installed. That does it for today's demonstration. Thanks for watching, everybody. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell to be notified when more videos are available. You can find all of our available original equipment, Coleman and Fleetwood pop-up rivets, at our store at ColemanPopUpParts.com. You want to see some more videos? You have some more ideas for us? Please let us know. We're here to help. So in the comment section below, let us know what you need help with. We'd be glad to assist you. Thanks for watching again, everybody. Happy pop-up camping. We'll see you next time.